If this video ever sees the light of day, I will be impressed. Hey everybody, so glad you joined us today. This is Layla, my niece. This is her debut on my channel, and you guys are lucky because she is a ton of fun, and I know you're gonna enjoy this video. We are making little geode terrariums, very summery. Most of this stuff is from Dollar Tree or Dollar General. If you like this video, make sure
to like and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys. I have a lot of videos. I post multiple times a week. It'll be fun. You won't regret it. Okay, we're back. We had to make a little table adjustment. We're back. We're back. We're back. We had to make a little table adjustment. And while I was rearranging, Layla came up with a song. Take it away, yay.
Aunt Lindsay loves it in Dollar Tree. She spends all her money in Dollar Tree.
If this video ever sees the light of day, I will be impressed because we have a lot going on behind the scenes. I got my Dollar Tree sand. We have white and regular sand. Whew, this sand has a very strong odor. At first I was going to put like a real succulent or air plant, but I don't know about that. I think it would kill it. If you want to make layers, it looks like we're going to need a lot. Vibes flow. Let it flow.
Get in the zone.
Get in the zone.
You can't see me. I'm in.
This might be big. Not feeling it. Fun to do like a party. If you had a bunch of girls over, you could lay all this stuff out.
Yeah.
And everyone can make their own.
I would just be like, guys, don't touch this. It's all mine.
Maybe you can show your art teacher this video, and maybe you could do it. These rocks are so awesome. They're from Dollar General. I love these crystals.
I have no idea what I even did this school year. Totally like blacked out.
Well, then you must not have done anything fun enough in art to remember.
Well, yeah, I made puppets.
Oh,
out of,
that was your favorite?
Yeah, kind of.
Crystals. Aunt Lindsay loves it in Dollar Tree. She spends all her money in Dollar Tree. Now you have that in my head.
Aunt Lindsay loves it in Dollar Tree. Ooh, survives. That's like the only thing she can survive off Dollar Tree. Like, we were out today, and she said, let's stop in Dollar General. And we stopped in Dollar General.
I can't believe I loved you guys in there. We're like all in our bathing suits.
We went swimming for like 4 hours.
Yeah, it's wild.
Oh my gosh, Lindsay.
I think a little goes a long way with this gold stuff.
Do you have any moss?
Let's find some moss. Ooh, you know what I might have?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I have black sand, 1. And 2, look at these pretty stones.
Oh my gosh.
They're like iridescent.
Da-dun.
Oh, where did I get that from?
This is a real ocean ship.
I don't hear it. So I have this moss.
Moss.
All right, we're cooking now. That's really coming together. I really like the moss under the succulent.
Yeah, to make it look
And
like
since this is a geode terrarium, get like another rock in there.
I haven't even put this in yet because I don't know where to put it.
This is really pretty, a minty color. Nah, sometimes less is more. Have you ever heard that saying?
You have a whole bunch of stuff in there, Aunt Wayne.
Well, yours gets narrower at the top, so I guess that's good you stayed at the bottom. Are you going to join me for some more videos?
Make sure to comment down below if you want me in more videos.
Good idea. Layla wants to do slime videos. She's keeping me hip and up to date on what the kids are into these days. If you like Dollar Tree DIYs, Dollar Tree hauls, regular DIYs, and epic Halloween costumes, make sure to subscribe. And if you made it all the way to the end, you're awesome. Definitely hit that notification bell and become part of my notification squad. We will see you on the next one, guys.
Aunt Lindsay loves it in Dollar Tree. She spends all her money in Dollar Tree. Bye, guys.